Good morning, children. Let's we start the new chapter, reproduction in animals. Do you recall the process of digestion, circulation, and respiration which you have studied in your previous classes? We already study about these type of process, and these are the process are very essential and necessary for the living things. So these processes are essential for the survival of every individuals. ये प्रोसेस लिविंग थिंग के लिए, हर एक इंडिविजुअल के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. यू हैव ऑल्सो लर्नड अबाउट द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स and reproduction in we already studied in 7th class the reproduction in plants. So reproduction is the process in which new individual generate from their parents. So it is very essential for the continuation of a species. किसी भी स्पीसीज को की कंटिन्यूटी के लिए रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर विदाउट रिप्रोडक्शन और विदाउट कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ द स्पीसीज लाइफ डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट ऑन द अर्थ. इमेजिन व्हाट वुड हैव हैपन इफ ऑर्गेनिज्म हैड नॉट रिप्रोड्यूस. सो ऑब्वियसली अगर रिप्रोड्यूस नहीं होंगे तो लाइफ एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगी. You will realize that reproduction is very important as it ensures the continuation of similar kind of individuals generation after generation. तो एक पीढ़ी से दूसरे पीढ़ी तक न्यू इंडिविजुअल इसी प्रोसेस के थ्रू बनते हैं. तो लाइफ कंटिन्यूटी में रहेगी, कोई भी स्पीसीज कंटिन्यूटी में तभी रहेगी जब रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस होगा. सो इट इज़ असेंशियल प्रोसेस इन द लिविंग थिंग्स. You have already learnt in your previous classes about reproduction in plants. In this chapter, we will learn how reproduction take place in animals. Mode of reproduction. As we already studied in the 7th class, reproduction in plants, and there we study about the mode of reproduction, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, vegetative propagation. Same as it is, there are two types of mode of reproduction in animals, that is sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Okay, so we will discuss about here. Have you seen the young one of different animals? Try to name some of young ones by completing table 9.1 shown in example or at serial number 1 to 5. Here in your book, one table is given, and in first column there is the name of the animal, in second column their young one name. Okay, so when we will fill this table, we will observe the different animals and their individuals. Okay, their young ones. So do you think that these young ones look the same before they were born as they do now? तो हम देखेंगे कि इनके जो यंग वन हैं और जो एनिमल्स हैं क्या उनमें कुछ सिमिलरिटीज़ हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट एज इन प्लांट्स देयर आर टू मोड्स बाय विच एनिमल्स रिप्रोड्यूस. These are sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. I already told you that in animals also there are two types of mode of reproduction, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction, and the difference between them is in sexual reproduction two parents are required, two gametes are required for the reproduction, that is male gamete and female gamete, and the fusion of the male and female gamete a new cell is formed, that is zygote, and this zygote develop into a new individual. So that is in sexual reproduction. But in asexual reproduction, no need of the parent, only the parent body a new individual will be will be generate. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about the sexual reproduction. Try to recall reproduction in plants which you studied in class 7. You will remember that plants that reproduce sexually have male and female reproductive parts. We already study about the sexual reproduction in plants, and there are the male and female reproductive parts which are present in the flower. So can you name these female have different reproductive parts or organs? Yes, male part is stamen and female part is pistil. So like plants, the reproductive parts in animals also produce gametes that fuse to form a zygote. तो जैसे plants में male और female reproductive ऑर्गन से हमें मेल गैमिट और फीमेल गैमिट मिला था, सेम ऐसे प्लांट्स से में भी मेल एंड फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन से हमें मेल और फीमेल गैमिट मिलेंगे जो कि फ्यूज़ होकर के एक नया इंडिविजुअल बनाएंगे जिसे बोलते हैं जाइगोट. और ये जाइगोट में डेवलपमेंट होने के बाद न्यू इंडिविजुअल बनता है और इसी रिप्रोडक्शन को कहा जाता है सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. इट इज़ द जाइगोट विच डेवलप्स इनटू अ न्यू इंडिविजुअल एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन बिगिनिंग फ्रॉम द fusion of male and female gamete is called sexual reproduction. So let us find out the reproductive parts in humans and study the process of reproduction in them. So tomorrow we will discuss about the reproductive parts in human beings. So children, read this topic from your book. Thank you.